Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I found all my emojis in Dress to Impress Easter update. So first of all guys, go to the sport and you can see all the emojis you need to find in Dress to Impress, and make sure you take screenshot of it or you can remember it. And then after you know all the emojis you need to find, you can find it here in the lobby area, but mine is in the game, in the dressing area here. If you cannot find in the lobby, you can find it here, and I'm going to show you the first area I found my emoji. So this is the first area. I found this dog emoji, and we need to remember the code. Okay, and I'm going to go to the second area where I found my emoji. The second area is here in the jeans area. Okay, this is the emoji, the second emoji. Fortunately, I just need to find 3 emojis, and the third emoji is really hard to find. So it's hidden on the wall. If you haven't found your emoji yet, maybe the location is hidden like mine. Here I need to change my camera angle because the emoji is there on the wall. Okay, right here. So we need to change our camera angle. Okay, and this is the last emoji. Okay, and after we got the code, we can enter the code. We can go to the code menu and we're going to enter the code. Okay, and let me enter it. 555 and then 2 and 11. Okay, we can redeem it and we will get the bunny set. If you want to wear it, you can go to the dressing room here and you can go to the codes. Wait. Okay, go to the codes and you will get all these items. Okay, and that's how I found my emojis in Dress to Impress Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.